Today's video is on the top 3 best budget exercise bikes. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. MAROK Folding Exercise Bike. Ready to elevate your home workouts? Meet the MAROK 4-in-1 Folding Indoor Cycling Bike. This incredible bike is not just an exercise tool. It's a full-body workout machine that adapts to your needs. With its unique 4-in-1 design, you can switch between upright and recumbent modes, plus incorporate arm and back exercises. Whether you're looking to tone your legs or strengthen your upper body, this bike has you covered with multiple fitness modes that target every major muscle group. Want to track your progress and stay motivated? The MAROK app takes your fitness journey to the next level. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can record your exercise data in real time, ensuring you never lose sight of your goals. Plus, it's compatible with Kino Map, opening up even more workout options for you to explore. When it comes to customizing your workout, the 16 levels of magnetic resistance are a game changer. This feature provides a smooth and quiet ride, allowing you to focus solely on your exercise without any distractions. You can easily adjust the intensity to match your fitness level, whether you're just starting or pushing your limits. Keep an eye on your performance with the LCD monitor display. This handy feature shows essential metrics like time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Plus, there's an iPad holder so you can stream your favorite workout videos or guidance as you pedal your way to fitness. The MAROK Folding Bike is truly an essential addition to any home gym setup. Now, let's talk about dimensions. Built from high-quality steel, this foldable exercise bike supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds. It accommodates users ranging from 4 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 1 inch tall, thanks to its adjustable seat. The product dimensions are 37.4 inches long, 20.9 inches wide, and 45.7 inches high, while the seat cushion measures 9.05 inches by 11.02 inches and is 2.36 inches thick. Weighing in at 39.7 pounds, it's sturdy yet manageable. Don't let thirst derail your workout. The MAROK Folding Exercise Bike includes a convenient water bottle holder located right behind the seat. Staying hydrated has never been easier, allowing you to focus on reaching your fitness goals without interruption. And when you're done with your workout, storage is a breeze. With its foldable design and built-in mobility wheels, you can effortlessly move and store the bike. Its compact footprint means it won't take up much space in your home gym, making it easy to tuck away and ready for your next workout session whenever you are. Tap that subscribe button harder than you tap the start button to begin your workout. Number 2, best overall, Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike. Looking for a worry-free way to get fit at home? Look no further than Yosuda. With over 20 years of experience in designing and producing top-quality exercise machines, Yosuda has become a trusted name in home fitness. More than 3 million families have chosen their equipment, and it's easy to see why. Yosuda stands firmly behind its products, ensuring you're making a sound investment in your health and fitness journey. Let's dive into what makes the Yosuda stationary bike a standout choice for your home workouts. First off, it boasts a solid 30-pound flywheel, complemented by a heavy-duty steel frame that guarantees stability while you cycle. Whether you're doing a light ride or an intense workout, you can count on this bike to remain steady and secure. Plus, the innovative belt-driven system ensures a quieter and smoother ride compared to traditional chain systems. No need to worry about waking up sleeping kids or disturbing your neighbors. You can pedal away without a sound. Safety is paramount, especially when you're pushing yourself during a workout. Yosuda has designed this exercise bike to be sturdy and stable, giving you the confidence to go all out during intense sessions. With a maximum weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it's built to accommodate a wide range of users. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned pro, you can pedal with assurance knowing that this bike is up to the task. Finding the perfect fit is essential for an enjoyable workout experience. And this bike has you covered. With a 2-way adjustable handlebar and a 4-way padded seat, it's suitable for riders ranging from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch tall. Plus, the large range of resistance levels allows everyone in the family to find a comfortable setting for their indoor rides. And tracking your progress is easy with the built-in LCD monitor, which keeps tabs on your pulse, time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. And if you like to multitask, the included tablet holder lets you enjoy your favorite music or shows while you ride, keeping your workouts entertaining. When you purchase a Yosuda exercise bike, you'll find everything you need right in the package. All the tools and instructions for assembly, plus online instructional videos to help you set it up in about 30 minutes. And if you ever need parts replaced, you're covered with a 1-year free parts replacement guarantee. The user-friendly design adds to the bike's appeal. The adjustable cage pedals keep your feet secure during fast rides, and you can stop the flywheel instantly by pressing the resistance bar. Staying hydrated is a breeze with the built-in water bottle holder, and transport wheels make it easy to move the bike wherever you want to work out. Get ready to pedal your way to fitness with Yosuda. Number 1, our pick, Niceday Recumbent Exercise Bike. Looking for a way to elevate your home fitness routine? Meet Niceday, a recumbent exercise bike designed not just for durability, but also for an amazing customer experience. This bike is perfect for anyone needing a little extra support in their physical therapy journey. The Niceday Recumbent Exercise Bike is specially designed to significantly reduce stress on your back and joints, making it an excellent choice for individuals dealing with knee or lower back arthritis or those recovering from replacement surgeries. It's all about helping you regain mobility and feel better while engaging in a comfortable workout. Imagine being able to exercise without the fear of exacerbating your pain. Niceday makes that possible. What's great about the Niceday Recumbent Bike is its versatility. With 16 levels of progressive resistance, it can accommodate the exercise needs of your entire family. The mechanical knob lets you make precise adjustments, allowing for smooth transitions between different intensity levels. Whether you're aiming for a gentle workout or a more intense cardio session, this bike has you covered. You'll appreciate the quiet operation thanks to the meticulously engineered 15-pound flywheel combined with a magnetic control system. This means you can work out without disturbing your family or neighbors, creating a peaceful environment for your home fitness. Safety and stability are top priorities with the Niceday bike, boasting a robust frame that supports up to 400 pounds. This heavy-duty construction ensures a longer service life, meeting the exercise needs of everyone in your household. Comfort is key, and Niceday delivers with an ergonomic seat and backrest. Say goodbye to hip discomfort. The high-density soft sponge cushion and breathable mesh backrest provide exceptional support, while the 8 adjustable seat positions allow ample legroom for users up to 6 feet 7 inches tall. Tracking your progress is easy with the LED digital monitor that effectively logs your exercise data. Plus, with an integrated iPad holder, you can enjoy some entertainment while you work out. Want to take your fitness to the next level? Connect the bike to the Kino map and Zwift apps via Bluetooth for an interactive experience. And don't worry about the complicated setup. With 90% of the bike pre-assembled and all the necessary tools included, installation is a breeze. The integrated transport wheels make it easy to move and store, making it a fantastic addition to any home gym. They're dedicated to offering you a top-notch product and stellar service. If you ever have questions, they're here to help you every step of the way. Get ready to transform your fitness journey with Niceday. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.